Novomax Drain Maintenance and Cleaner is a biotechnological solution designed for the efficient maintenance of grease traps and drainage systems. Its advanced formula contains specialized microorganisms that degrade fats, oils, and organic waste, preventing clogs and unpleasant odors. As a biological treatment, Novomax optimizes the decomposition of organic matter without the need for harsh chemicals, protecting pipes and reducing the buildup of waste in drainage systems and grease traps. For application, simply add the recommended dose directly into the grease trap or dilute the product in water before pouring it into the drainage system. This allows the microorganisms to activate and immediately begin degrading the organic matter. In pipes and drains, regular use prevents blockages and maintains a constant flow. Novomax not only breaks down waste, but also significantly reduces unpleasant odors and the contaminant load of the system. This helps comply with the maximum allowable values, MAV, in discharges, avoiding penalties for non-compliance with environmental regulations.